Vlogging now?
Well, if we are vlogging, then let's get the vlog started. Hey guys, it's me. My name is Mallory.
I'm Jen.
This is my girlfriend Jen. And then that's our friend Ty. And today we are going to the beach. We're driving right now, we're on our way. So we'll update you when we get there. So we just stopped at Dunkin' and I got a medium iced caramel latte made with almond milk and some hash browns. Now we're all ready to go down the shore. We got our energy boost, so we're excited. Hope you're feeling alright. Well, we finally made it to the beach. It is so hot, but we're just gonna lay out and tan.
I gotta take my keys.
So she doesn't get sunburned around the We'll update you later. It's so hot.
So hot.
I'm probably getting so sunburnt.
Please watching.
I don't care. Are we having a good time?
Mm-hmm. So much.
Right now we are taking a break from the beach because it is way too hot.
Maybe I look fat in this angle.
No? Are you having a fun time? I asked you this already, but are you having a fun time?
Yes.
Take a break from the beach and get some food. Veggie burgers and fries. Ty, what'd you get? Mac and cheese and fries.
Kids mac and cheese. Let's just be in the moment for once. Please.
So we finished eating and now we're heading back to the beach.
Look at the Batmobile.
With a grouchy Jen.
Yeah, because you're annoying with this.
That's not a Batmobile, Jen. That's a daddy mobile.
Hey guys, it's me. So we forgot to record an outro, so this is the quick outro. I hope you enjoyed our beach day vlog as much as we did. Jen's sleeping. Good night, Jen. Okay, please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah.